Hello there. In this video, we will talk about the SU-57. The Sukhoi Su-57 is a Russian twin-engine stealth jet fighter. It is designed by the famous Russian aircraft manufacturer Sukhoi. It made its first flight on January 2010. The aircraft was developed by the Russian Air Force to replace their current generation of fourth-generation fighters, such as the MiG-29 and the Su-27. Russia currently has 10 of these stealth fighters in service with a total production of 11. They have also built 10 prototypes. There are also plans for a naval version of this fighter, which would be used by the Russian Navy and the Russian Space Forces. This fighter has been exported to several countries. Egypt and Turkey are the only two confirmed buyers. Both countries ordered a total of 36 aircraft. However, there are some reports that Belarus, Kazakhstan, China, and India are interested in buying the Su-57. The T-50, which later became known as the Su-57, was an advanced tactical aircraft technology demonstrator program initiated by Russia in 1987. Its purpose was to demonstrate new technologies for future Russian aircraft. This included a new engine, new materials, new radar systems, and new weapons. The prototype of the T-50 first flew in 2010 and was accepted into service in 2020. The twin-engine supersonic cruise, SU-57, is a multi-role aircraft intended for air superiority, attack, reconnaissance, and nuclear deterrence. It is the most advanced aircraft in the inventory of the Russian military and is comparable to the American F-22 Raptor and the F-35 Lightning. In fact, it was designed to counter both of these aircraft. With its stealth capabilities, it can penetrate heavily defended airspace and destroy enemy aircraft and air defenses. The plane is designed to carry a variety of air-to-air and air-to-surface missiles, as well as bombs and other munitions. One of the main features of the Su-57 is its stealth or low observable design. This means that the aircraft is designed to be difficult to detect on radar, which makes it ideal for air superiority and attack missions. Another feature of the Su-57 is its supersonic cruise capability, which means that it can fly at supersonic speeds without afterburners. This is another advantage for air superiority and attack missions. The Su-57 is powered by two Saturn AL-41FN engines, each of which is rated at 16,500 kW or 36,000 pounds of thrust. The engines are designed to provide the aircraft with the high levels of performance and efficiency required for its advanced tactical and strike roles. These engines also give the aircraft the ability to supercruise, which means that it can cruise at supersonic speeds without using afterburners. This is a very rare ability among jet fighters. Only a few other fighters in the world, such as the American F-22 Raptor and the F-15 SG and the Swedish Gripen, have this capability. The weapons used by the Su-57 include a 30mm gun, air-to-air missiles, and air-to-ground missiles. The 30mm gun is a GAT-GSH-31, which is a fully automatic cannon that fires 30mm rounds. It has a rate of fire of up to 1,800 rounds per minute and a range of up to 4 kilometers. The cannon is used for engaging air and ground targets. The Su-57 can carry up to 4 air-to-air missiles and up to 6 air-to-ground missiles. The missiles carried by the Su-57 are designed to engage a variety of targets. The air-to-air missiles are used to engage enemy aircraft and air defense systems. The air-to-ground missiles are used to engage ground targets such as tanks, artillery, and buildings. The avionics of the Su-57 include a new radar system, a new electronic warfare system, and a new navigation system. The radar system is the N036, which is a multi-mode radar that can be used for air-to-air and air-to-ground operations. It has a range of up to 400 kilometers. The electronic warfare system is the Kibini, which is a system that is designed to jam enemy radars and communications. The navigation system is the Global Positioning System, which is a satellite navigation system that provides the aircraft with precise positioning information. The Su-57 has a crew of 2, a pilot, and a radar operator. The cockpit of the SU-57 is designed to provide the crew with a high level of comfort and situational awareness. The cockpit features large, high-resolution displays that provide the crew with a clear view of the flight instruments and the situation on the battlefield. The cockpit also features advanced avionics and electronic warfare systems that help the crew to identify and track targets, as well as to defend against enemy attacks. The development of the Su-57 began in the late 1990s, with the Russian company Sukhoi designing a new fighter aircraft that would eventually become known as the Su-57. The aircraft was designed to meet the requirements of the Russian Air Force for a multi-role fighter that could perform air superiority, attack, and reconnaissance missions. The prototype of the aircraft made its first flight in 2010, and the aircraft was officially adopted by the Russian Air Force in 2020. The Su-57 has been involved in a number of conflicts since its adoption by the Russian Air Force. In particular, the aircraft has been used in the Syrian civil war, where it has reportedly carried out airstrikes against rebel forces. The Su-57 has also been used in the Russian invasion of Ukraine, where it has reportedly carried out airstrikes against Ukrainian forces. The cost of the Su-57 is estimated to be in the billions of dollars. The price of the aircraft is not publicly available, but it is believed to be very expensive. There have been a number of incidents involving the Su-57. In one incident in 2019, a Su-57 crashed during a test flight, killing both pilots. The cause of the crash is believed to be a technical malfunction. The future of the Su-57 is uncertain. The aircraft is still relatively new, and it is unclear how it will perform in combat. There are plans to upgrade the aircraft in the future to improve its capabilities. The Su-57 is a very capable aircraft that is designed to perform a variety of missions. It is unclear how the aircraft will perform in combat, but it is believed to be a formidable weapon. If you want to learn more about the Su-57, I recommend that you read a book called The Su-57 Russian Stealth Fighter by David Axe. The book is available on Amazon, and it is a great resource for learning more about this aircraft. Now let's talk about some of the interesting facts about the Su-57. The Su-57 is the first stealth fighter to enter service in Russia. Stealth fighters are designed to be very difficult to detect on radar, which makes them ideal for air superiority and attack missions. The Su-57's stealth capabilities make it a formidable threat to enemy aircraft and air defense systems. The Su-57 is the first supersonic cruise missile to enter service in Russia. This means that the aircraft can fly at supersonic speeds without using afterburners, which makes it more stealthy and increases its range. This makes it ideal for long-range strike missions. The Su-57 is the first aircraft to enter service in Russia with a glass cockpit. Glass cockpits are designed to provide pilots with a better view of the aircraft's instruments and the outside world. This helps pilots to make better decisions and fly the aircraft more safely. The Su-57 is the first aircraft to enter service in Russia with an active electronically scanned array radar. Active electronically scanned array radars are more powerful and efficient than the radars used in previous Russian aircraft. This gives the Su-57 better air-to-air and air-to-ground capabilities. The Su-57 is the first aircraft to enter service in Russia with internal weapons bays. Internal weapons bays allow aircraft to carry weapons inside the aircraft rather than on external hardpoints. This makes the aircraft more stealthy and reduces its radar cross-section. Thank you for watching this video about the Su-57. If you liked the video, please subscribe. And if you have any questions about the Su-57, leave them in the comments below. I'll try my best to answer them. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next time.